Hello, welcome to MyDec at MyTax Illinois online real property tax declaration. If you need information already, please go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account, let me walk you through on how to create one. On the page, you will see in the upper right-hand section, don't have an account. Go ahead and click on Sign Up Now. From here to the new login request page, enter in the account administrator. You also verify the account type, the account ID type, and account ID. Go ahead and click on the drop-down and click Individual. You will select on Social Security number, enter in your account ID or your Social Security number. And click on Verify. A pop will come up asking you to confirm your Social Security once more. So go ahead and do that now. And click OK. Some following fields here. Organizational type, drop down and click Individual. And your name and your address. Your city, your state. Your zip code. You're in your email information, and then click to confirm it. And then your contact phone number. You'll then select your login credentials. You want to pick a username, so go ahead and enter in a username of your choice and a password. Please note all passwords must be no more than 20 characters, with a minimum of 8 characters. They must contain both letters and numbers and be of both capital and lowercase. And confirm your password. If for some reason you forget your username or password, there's a secret question here which you could select from. So go ahead and select the question and then type in your answer. And you'll see that all fields are now green and ready to go. So go ahead and click on Submit. It will come up asking you if you're ready to submit your activation request. It'll show your name, your email, and your username. And click OK. A confirmation page will come up showing your confirmation number, the day that it was submitted, the request, and who the request form was requested for. You'll receive an email shortly with additional information about accessing the MyDec account for which you submitted your activation information for. Please note that this is only for first-time users, so go ahead and click OK. Back to the main page here, which you then enter in your username and password. I'm going to share with you what this email will look like, and this is for first-time users only. So this is what the confirmation email looks like. The authorization number here for the example is N4W788. Link as well, so you could click on to direct you to the MyDec website. Once site, enter in your username and password, and for the first-time users, enter in the activation code. Once you're in the main page, you want to start adding in a new declaration. Top, you'll see Add Declaration page. So go ahead and click on that page. This is a new property tax transfer declaration. You want to, from the drop-down, the county that you're in. For example, we're going to select Cook County. You want to enter in your PIN number. Once you have the PIN number, the address will automatically update after you data key the PIN number. So for the split parcel and click on Continue. The exempt transfer page. In order for the transaction to be exempt, it must meet one of the exemptions reasons listed on the page. The system automatically defaults to a taxable transaction. Taken to the P-Tax 203 page. If you know there are 4 tabs, there's form, tax form, city form, and history. The system will steer you through each form as you complete them. Many information you enter for the state will transfer to the county and city form. X represents sections not yet completed by you. Step 1, enter in all required information that is in yellow. Enter in the amount paid. Enter, if any, personal property that was included as part of the amount paid. Also, the value of a mobile home was included in the purchase. That in the fields below. You want to enter in the legal description that can be found on your deed. Click Continue. For one, enter the seller and buyer information. So go ahead and enter in the seller's first name, last name, street address, along with the buyer's information as well. You want to validate each address entered by clicking the Validate Address button and selecting the appropriate address from list. Check the box to attest the accuracy of information provided, and click Save and Continue. Any exempt transfer information, if any, there isn't any, then select Continue. You have completed the state form. Note the red X is no longer next to the state form. You will need to fill out the Cook County form. Information that can be used on all forms will be auto-populated on the other forms. Enter the additional required information indicated in yellow. Enter any exempt transfer information. Isn't any, select Continue. Into the city form. The address will be auto-populated once again. If you have any additional parcel information, enter on this page. For any exempt transfer information, if there is any, then select Save and Continue. In step 4, you want to enter in any additional transfer information as indicated in yellow. The system will calculate the tax, penalty, and interest owed based on information entered in the prior forms. If it is filed late, you'll see a note in red at the top of the form which states purchase overdue. The penalty and interest amount will appear after you have submitted your declaration, so please remember to print out your declaration after you have submitted, accepted, and close your declaration. 6, if a title company was used, please enter information on this section. And 7, you want to enter in attestation of parties. In 8, this is the department certifications. Building, zoning, and water certifications are required for every property transaction. Please each one carefully and select the appropriate radio button. After getting the water certification, click at the top and be taken you to the confirmation page. Your online forms are now complete. You will see information number and declaration ID. You will need to accept and close your forms. When you're OK, you'll be brought back to your home page. Your declaration appears in the list. You want to click on the primary pin and click Accept Declaration on the left navigation panel. A message will pop up saying that you have now accepted the declaration. You will need to complete the closing, so click OK. Click Closing on the left-hand navigation panel. Pop-ups will appear for you to change the date of instrument and add an escrow number if applicable. second radio button if you are an individual without stamp authorization rights. Please note that you must present a full payment certification, a copy of the declaration, and your payment for the tax stamp to City Cashier at City Hall, Room 107A. The City Cashier will provide you with your city stamp. Click on the Stellar Flyer attestation and then click on Submit. The message will pop up. Click and you are now ready to print your forms to bring to City Hall, Room 107A. Please make sure your status is enclosed completed. If you are not in the status, it means that something is missing from your form. The cashier at City Hall will not accept any payment unless your status is enclosed completed. Click on the printable copy of declaration. Our print version is now ready to be printed. Have all your documents in order, head down to City Hall, Room 111A to submit your payment. Viewers will pull up your declaration in MyDec by your declaration ID that's printed on your form. If for some reason your declaration is not in a closed completed status, there are computers available at City Hall, 7th floor, where you log in and make any updates as well as reprint your forms. Once you get your payment, the cashier will provide you with a tax stamp that should be affixed into the document that you're going to record with Cook County. If you received your city stamp, please proceed down the hall to Cook County Room 118 to pay the county and state portion of the tax and to record your deed. After it has been made with Cook County, the county will enter MyDec to verify the declaration and enter the document number on your deed. If you have questions pertaining to the tool, please contact the Illinois MyDec hotline at 1-844-445-1114. Thank you.